Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Explore with Nent. In today's video, we'll be looking at foundation application. Let's get right into the video. So guys, for this, I am using Zickel foundation in the shade 025. Yeah, but before then, I already done my face prep. Like I've prepared my face for this makeup. In my next video, I will show you how to do your face prep. So I use my brush to pick my foundation. Like I prefer to place it first on my skin before blending. I feel it sits right into your skin when you do so. Though everyone has their own way of doing it. Some place the foundation directly from the bottle, while some put it on their blending, that's their beauty blender, and blend directly. But this is how I prefer to do my. And I use a certain spray. The reason is because I feel it helps you to blend better when you spray your face, but that doesn't mean that you should always spray your face before you blend. If you have a nice foundation that is very light and has a full coverage, you don't need this. Though this Zickel does, it has a nice texture, it's light and it's also a full coverage foundation, but I just prefer to spray it so that it's easy for me to blend. So while you are doing yours, you also figure out the one that works better for your skin. So I'm using a beauty blender to blend. And remember, before you use your beauty blender, make sure it is damp. Like you soak it in a water, then squeeze out every drop of water from it. Make sure that no water is coming out then before you use it to blend. It gives you a smooth blending. It makes your blending game to be so smooth and nice and easy as well. But when you don't wet your beauty blender, your blending will be tacky. It won't be smooth. You can see how smooth this is. Like it sits directly into my skin. It's giving a lovely finishing and a lovely coverage. One thing I always tell people is when you're blending, make sure you take your time. Don't be in a hurry to blend out that foundation. Take your time, blend it into your skin. Make sure you have a smooth and finished look. If you don't blend your foundation well, every other thing you do on your face wouldn't sit well. But when you get your foundation right, every other thing will sit in fine. So guys, blend, 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 blend. As you can see, it's looking so fine already. And make sure you blend the inner corners of your eyes. Touch everywhere you could. And please use a foundation that is your shade. It helps you a lot. As you can see, this foundation is my perfect shade. And this is the finished look. Hope you guys love it. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.